Thank you so much. This is what I always tell y'all about, that if your bags don't come down in 20 minutes, they owe you some scammo. So let's see. Hello my loves, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new vloggy vlog, another day of October 2023. So as you guys can see, I am back in Houston, Texas. I am back home, baby, and I slept too well last night. I don't know if it was the chamomile tea, I don't know if it was my body getting reacquainted with my bed, I don't know what it was, but the sleep last night was spectacular. So if you guys are new, welcome. My name is Kendra, aka Kensthetic, and I post videos on my YouTube channel about anything I'm interested in at the time, and I am participating in Vlogtober, so you guys are getting new videos each and every day of October 2023, which we're almost done with. But yeah, if you guys are returning, thank you guys so much for clicking on yet again another video. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, turn on your bell notifications, give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started, girl. So today is Tuesday, October the 24th. Yeah, October really flew by, but it's taught me so many lessons that I will definitely be implementing in my life, in my professional life, with my personal life, with my personal brand. So many lessons that I'm grateful for. So yeah, but on today's agenda, I'm gonna go check my mailboxes and see what mail I got while I was gone for about a week. And I want to plan some sit down videos so that I can give you guys some sit down videos before the month is up. And I think that's it for this morning. Oh, and I need to eat breakfast, girl, because I'm hungry. I got in at like 11 p.m. last night, and surprisingly I wasn't like hungry, because even though LaGuardia is cute, or maybe it's just LaGuardia Terminal C, ain't no real good food. Ain't no good food. I'm not having Starbucks at 8 p.m. No. So I didn't eat anything last night, but I'm not like too hungry, but I still gotta eat. But let me go ahead and check my mailboxes. It's still warm in Houston, Texas. I think it's like a high of 87 today. My battery's dying. So yeah, I'll be back. I'm back. So we are gonna do a PR unboxing. I got a few packages while I was away, and we're gonna go ahead and open them on camera together. And I'm very blessed. I want to start off by saying thank you guys for your love, for your support. The tribe that I have on my YouTube platform is undefeated, okay? Ain't nobody touching you, and I love that so much. I love you guys, and thank you for all of the brands for thinking of me and sending these products over to me. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I got this package from Kiehl's, and it's crazy because when I was with Sharma the other day, when I was with Stitchy, she like, we were talking about Kiehl's, and I came home and your girl got some Kiehl's to try. So this is a Halloween edition. So if you are looking to shop for Kiehl's, they do have a code Halloween20 for 20% off site wide, plus a gift for purchase now until October the 26th. So you guys have 2 more days to shop. I don't know, do you guys use Kiehl's? This is gonna be my first time trying Kiehl's, so let me know what's tea. But it came with this little bag. If you know me, you know I love a bag, because I'm definitely gonna be recycling this. And this is like a scuba material. And then it has the little skeleton. It's a Kiehl's, period. So this is their creme de corpse. This is a all over body moisturizer. Oh yeah, we're using her tonight. Let me see what she smells like. It says diffuse it for 10 days. It will provide a skin texture unattainable. Y'all making big claims over here, okay? Let's see. I want to see what it smells like. didn't help. Okay. It doesn't really have a fragrance. Yeah, it doesn't really have a fragrance, but I'm gonna be trying this out and I'll let you guys know what I think. But it is a body moisturizer, like a lotion, which I've been loving lately. Just like a lightweight, get me moist, okay? Give me moisture. They sent over their Kiehl's creamy eye treatment with avocado. So I'm not sure if you guys know, but me and avocado do not go together. I don't consume avocado. I don't use any products that have like avocado oil or anything like that. So I will be giving this product away. I have a whole tub of stuff to give away, which we'll speak about later on, okay? And then the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. I've heard amazing things about this moisturizer. So I'm definitely interested in trying her out and letting you guys know what she is hitting for. And last but not least, they sent over their Midnight Recovery Botanical Cleansing Oil with squalene, evening primrose oil, and lavender essential oil for all skin types. So it's an oil cleanser. So comment and let me know if you guys have used any of these products and your thoughts on them. Comment and let me know. But thank you, Kiehl's. Let's move on. So moving right along, I got another package from Kiehl's. So shout out to Kiehl's. Kiehl's sent this package to promote their products at Sephora. So in case you guys don't know, Sephora Savings event starts this Friday, October the 27th. And I did a whole video on my recommendations and information on the sale, so you guys can check that out if you haven't seen it already. But if you guys are interested in any of these Kiehl's products, you can also get them for a discounted price during Sephora Savings event. So I told you guys they have that code Halloween20 that you can use on their website up until October the 26th. And starting October the 27th, you can shop Kiehl's at a discounted price at Sephora if you are a Beauty Insider member. So if you guys aren't, make sure you guys sign up. And the code for the sale is time to save. So let's get into these products. So they sent another one. This is a mini. So this was a full size. This is a mini of the creamy eye treatment with avocado. So I'm gonna put this in my little giveaway pile too, because I can't do avocado, y'all. They sent these, which I'm very interested in. This is a Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask with Amazonian white clay, and it claims to intensively purify to minimize pores. So I definitely want to try this out to see what it's hitting for. I have never been like a face mask girly, but we tried this. Okay, we're trying this. This is the consistency of the product, and it just smells like clay. So they sent that, and then they also sent over this retinol skin renewing daily microdose serum. It says it has a precise daily strength concentration of retinol, peptide, and ceramides. So let me see what this looks like. Cause y'all know how I feel about things with retinol. What color should retinol be? Yellow, right? Yellow. So let's see what this is hitting for. Oh, all right, Kiehl's. They got the answer correct. So I'll try this out and see what it's hitting for. But one thing with me in skincare, it takes me a while to try it because I like to try one product at a time so I can see, you know, what the issue is if things arise, which we have to talk about. But yeah, they sent this mini ultra facial cream. This is just a mini of the facial moisturizer. And then they also sent this super multi-corrective eye zone treatment. I might have to try this. This is like an eye cream. Yeah, it's like an eye cream. So I'm gonna try this out and see what it's hitting for. But yeah, if you guys want to shop Kiehl's during Sephora sale, time to save. Thank you, Kiehl's. Because one thing about it is my Josie Moran family never comes to play, okay? They never come to play. So they sent me these pumpkins. Also accompanied by their whipped argan plus peptide enzyme mask. This is an exfoliating mask, you know, for the fall season, for the girls, for the boys. So thank you, Josie Moran, for sending this over. I don't think I've ever used any skincare products with pumpkin enzymes, but this is the mask. And they sent a little note. Y'all know Josie Moran always with the handwritten notes, which I always adore and appreciate. It says, "Hi beauty, everything I create at Josie Moran is intended to remind you to take a little time to focus on feeling good in your skin. That includes this delicious smelling mask packed with everything your skin craves come full. Plumping argan oil plus skin loving pumpkin enzymes deliver a smoothing, brightening, and firming boost in no time at all, just 5 minutes. We're kicking off pumpkin season with a treat. No tricks, I love that, just for you. XOXO Josie." So thank you, Josie Moran, for this mask. I'm gonna try it out and see what it's hitting for. And we have one more package that I'm super excited for. One more package that I'm super excited for. Can y'all guess what it is? Y'all not gonna guess what it is, so let me just show y'all. I'm about to fall. One thing about the God I serve, he does not play about me, okay? He does not play about Kendra. He does not play about Kensthetic. He does not play about me. Do y'all hear me? So, I received a package from YSL Beauty. Yes, YSL Beauty, okay? And it came wrapped, ladies, with these. Let's go ahead and open it up. I didn't open it yet, so I don't. They sent me a fragrance. It's me here trying to calculate things. So this is the new YSL Beauty. This is the YSL Beauty. This says YSL Beauty is thrilled to share with you Libre Absolute Platine, the warmest and spicy scent from the Libre collection. A powerful scent characterized by awesome bloom. Why can't I read? A powerful scent characterized by orange blossom, lavender, and musk orchid. Libre Absolute Platine is the ultimate sensual fragrance. Discover your freedom when absolute heat meets absolute shiver. Okay, let me see what it's hitting for. I wasn't like, I don't know if you guys can tell how shocked I am. I thought it was probably like a mascara, a lippy, something of the sort. A fragrance? Girl, and they sent the 1.6 fluid ounce. Period. Oh wow, this bottle is stunning. Can you guys see how it has like this silver? Smell it. Let me spray it. That's, wow. This smells amazing. I definitely smell an orange blossom, and it does give like a musk, but it gives like a sexy musk, like almost like the perfect feminine and masculine mix of musk. Like, because I don't like things that are too masculine. I don't like things that are like too like fruity. Like everything about this I love. So thank you so much YSL Beauty for sending this over to me. I'm shocked, okay? I'm shook. I am shooketh. But I'm gonna go ahead and post these IG stories and TikToks, and I'll check in with you guys in a few. Because girl, we have some things to talk about, because some things that you think are good for you, they ain't that good, okay? Everything that glitters is not okay. Hey guys, so I wanted to give you guys an update on some new products that I was trying out, because when I was away in New York, I decided to leave these products at home because I'm like, I wanna just observe what my skin gonna be giving if I don't use these products for a week. So the two products are the Inky-less Salicylic Cleanser and the Inky-less Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So I was using these products for about half a month, so what, 2.5 weeks. And they were cool, but then when I was getting ready to go to New York, I realized I had a whole bunch of oil plugs in my skin. So I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it. I still have one right here, but all of this was like oil plugs. I had some on my cheeks, I had some here. I went ahead and like squeezed them out, but I don't get oil plugs like that. Like the products that I use, they don't have any oils or much oil, so My skin is fine, like, you know, texture wise everything was nice and smooth. And then we had some new growth put up on the block, and all of a sudden we had some problemos. So I really think it's the hyaluronic acid. I don't think it's really the cleanser, because the cleanser you just put on and rinse off. The serum I'm leaving on my face overnight throughout the day, so I think it's the serum. But in order to just alleviate any other issues, we're just gonna leave both of them alone. But I just wanted to give you guys an update because I showed you guys that I was gonna try it out for the month of October. So here's my update from me personally on my skin. It has caused me to get oil plugs. Everything else was the same, so I was using the same other products in my skincare routine, the same serums, the same cleanser, same moisturizer, same sunscreen. Everything has been the same, and this was the only thing that I changed. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys that update. But that is it for day 24 of October 2023. I'm gonna do some sit down videos, so you guys will be getting some types of, like, you know, other content. And I also have some exciting things that I'm gonna be working on. So the upcoming vlogs you guys will see will, one, be a little longer, and two, have more context. I'm gonna tell y'all this now, okay? I'm gonna explain later on, but girl, when Vlogmas comes, it's not giving every day. It's not. Like, I'm doing every day for the rest of October because I already said I'm gonna do it. I already, like, you know, had that promise to myself as well as you guys. But for December, when Vlogmas comes around, the girls are getting every other day. The girls are not getting every day. I'm sorry, but my life is not that interesting. So Sundays, I'm just like, I could have just waited another day and, you know, had more content or whatever the case is. But also the strain of, like, having to edit every day is a lot. So December, we're doing every other day. I'm telling y'all from now, but I'll, like, you know, announce it again closer to the date. And I feel like that way I'll actually be able to enjoy myself, because it's just been a lot. Like, even when I went to the podcast the other day, that was like the most fun I've had in a while, because I'm like, my days are literally consistent of working, and I've been super busy with work, so that's another thing too. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys that precursor. Thank you guys so much for the support that you guys have been providing me with. I love you guys so much. As I always tell you guys, remember that you are beautiful, remember that you are blessed, remember that you are worthy. Don't let anybody, okay, don't let anybody's son or daughter make you feel otherwise. And that's on period. I feel like somebody needs to hear that, so I just had to get it off my chest. From me to you, make sure you guys subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment, and let me know your favorite part of today's vlog. And I'll see you guys in my next one.